Hey everyone, welcome back to MNMMPT NAATI. This is Manmohit. Now, guys, in today's video, I am going to share with you all another fill in the blank reading question, and I will be giving you not just the answers for them, but a proper explanation. So, we'll be doing it together. First, I would be asking you to pause the video and try to solve that question by yourself and see which option do you think fits the best. And then, after that, you can resume the video and properly go through with me as to why am I picking these answer, why not this, why is this the correct answer, why not this, and so on. Just before I start, if you need help and support with your PTE academic or PTE core exam, if you need coaching from us, me and Mohit provide that. You can message us on Instagram or Facebook. Links are in the description, or you can simply search for M&MMPT NAATI and you will find us over there. Message us and we can have a chat about how we can assist you. Also, same applies for NAATI, Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati. If you need coaching or prediction file, which has got the exam dialogues in that and exam vocabulary, again, you can message us on Instagram or Facebook and we can have a chat. Now, let's have a look at the question for this one. So this is the question that we're going to solve. And as you can see over here, I have got 4 blanks in total, and then I have got 8 options given to me at the bottom. So obviously, out of 8 options, 4 are going to be my correct answers. Now let's start reading through, and again I'll be trying to apply a few grammar rules, some logic, vocabulary, all those things, sentence structure, just to try to get majority of the correct answers. Now the first one is, the universe is a vast chemical cauldron brewing elements essential for life. Now there's no blank in that. Then among the 92 naturally occurring elements, a select few form the building blocks of living dash. So after living, we have got a blank. So this is where collocation would apply. So because I have got the word living and then I have got a blank after that. So we need something which is living. And that is the word we're looking for over here. And here is where my collocation knowledge will help me. Collocation as in two words that frequently occur together, the two words that are supposed to occur together. So if you look at the options, if I say living, few form the building blocks of living prospect, doesn't make any sense. Living regardless, living departments, I'm just keeping that one as an option. Supplements doesn't make any sense. Living supplements can't live, right? Living departments also doesn't quite make sense, but I'll still keep that as my option. Living organisms absolutely perfectly makes sense because organisms are of different types, bacteria, all these things that they're talking about. Living organisms is a great collocation. Living reaches doesn't make any sense. Both are verb. Two verbs can't be together. Living majority, I can keep that as an option. Living despite. If I was using the word despite, then the sentence can't end. There has to be something after that. So again, despite can't be the answer. So either department, organisms, or majority. So what I've done is I've used elimination method where I eliminated the options which I feel are not going to be the correct answers. So the building blocks of living departments, building block of living organisms, building block of living majority, organism sounds better. Organisms is going to be my correct answer. So once I have used the word organisms, that would be gone. That means I can't use that again. Next one, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen, all are gases. For instance, constitute the dash of life's molecular structure. So we have got the word the before a blank, and there is a blank after that. My grammar rule is, if I have got the article the and there is a blank after that, it is always going to be a noun. So out of all the options, let's look at the nouns that I have. For instance, constitute the dash of life's molecular structure. Prospect is a noun. Regardless is not a noun. Departments is a noun. Supplements is also a noun. Reaches is a verb. Majority is also a noun. Despite is a preposition, so can't be. So the options that I am left over with is prospect, departments, supplements, and majority. Let's read out the sentence. For instance, constitute the prospect of life's molecular structure. Constitute the departments of life's molecular structure, doesn't make sense. Constitute the supplements of life's molecular structure, again doesn't make sense. Constitute the majority of life's molecular structure, that makes more sense because they have given us 4 things and they are saying oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen constitute the molecular structure, life's full molecular structure, and these 4 are majority of life's molecular structure. So majority is going to be my right answer over here. So majority is also gone. Now, let's have a look at the next one. This universality of life's elemental ingredients suggests that the search for extraterrestrial life dash of its chemical basis. So they have given us a phrase in between a sentence. So we are going to look at what word is missing over here. So search for extraterrestrial life dash of its chemical basis. So the options are prospect of its chemical basis, doesn't sound good. Regardless of its chemical basis, yes, that sounds good. If you read it out again, universality of life's elemental ingredients suggests that the search for extraterrestrial life, regardless of its chemical basis. So all they're trying to say is, doesn't matter what their chemical basis is, the search for extraterrestrial life may find success in the far something. So doesn't matter what chemical basis it is, it will still find success. So that is the meaning over here. And again, regardless is gone. And the last option, last blank I have is may find success. Who? The search for extraterrestrial life may find success in the far dash of our galaxy and beyond. Far something of our galaxy and beyond. So far prospect doesn't make any sense. Far departments, department doesn't sound logical. Far supplements, again, you never say far supplements together. It's not a collocation. Far reaches. Far and reaches, both words are similar in meaning, and that does sound like a collocation. Far reaches and far despite. If it was despite, then it would have been something, a new sentence after that, after the word despite, because it's a preposition, so it would add something after that. So that is not happening over here. May find success in the far reaches. Far reaches as in, if you go galaxy and beyond, so as far as you want to go, you may find success for extraterrestrial life, and doesn't matter what chemical bases are they of. So this is what I wanted to do when you solve your fill in the blank questions. That never just guess the answers. That would be the last approach to do in the exam. We are giving 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you understand the logic, and especially while practicing for your fill in the blanks. Do not just start guessing the answers and moving on. You're not talking about quantity of questions you do. It's about how much you learn from that. Understand the logic. Watch my other grammar based video where I shared the grammar rules for fill in the blanks. Watch that, understand those grammar rules, the ones that I also was able to apply, and see what it did for me. It helped me to eliminate few options in every single blank. And with that, I was able to solve all my correct answers in the shortest time frame possible. Guys, all the best if you have quarter exams coming soon. Stay safe wherever you are. If you need any coaching, online coaching from me and Mohit for your PTE exam, whether it's academic or core, or if you need coaching for NAATI, Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati, feel free to get in touch with us on either Instagram or Facebook. Links are in the description, or simply search for M&MMPT NAATI and you will find us there. Message us and we can have a discussion with you, talk with you, and we can make a plan of how we can assist you to get your desired scores in the very first go. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video.